welcome back to another brand new episode of Anuchi's workout series under 5 minutes only. And the letter we've chosen today is the letter F. And there are a lot of parts that start from the letter F, but I have chosen the fingers. And also I will be talking about flax seeds, a very, very important source of diet. So this is going to be a very simple video. So we will be doing and talking about these two things. So let's get started with the fingers. So F for fingers, let's start off. So these are not basically exercises just to your fingers, but it also caters to the palm as well. So this whole region till the wrist is catered. So very simple exercises. You don't have to do it regularly. You can do it twice or thrice in a week. That's sufficient enough. Just include it with your workout regime, but do not forget to strengthen them. Do not forget to loosen them and relax them also. So let's get started. So this first exercise I always do is this flexion extension of each finger. So flex and extend, flex and extend, then both the fingers, then all the 3, then all the 4 and 5. Very simple exercises, but you shouldn't forget, you keep doing and then you keep swirling and keep twirling. Very simple exercises. 3, 2, 1, relax. So this is one. The second one is this. You can strengthen them. Push it inward. So you can do it with single finger like this, or you can do it with all of yours. Yeah, inward. Oh, inward. Yes. You'll feel it here as well, but that's okay. That's a way of strengthening. So this, and then you can do this. So after this you can just go up, you can go sidewards. Very simple. Yes. On the other side. Yes. So this will cater to a lot of things. So this is very simple exercises for the fingers, which you can do it twice or thrice in a week with your workout, and that is all. You can invent your own wherever you feel that okay, there's a there's a pain here or there's a stiffening feeling here, so you can just relax it. Yeah, so that's all. But very important is that every part of the human body is extremely important. It is needed. So exercises to your fingers are also mandatory. It is needed. Okay, so this is all for fingers. Now let's get to the importance of flax seeds. Okay, so now let's talk about flax seeds. Flax seeds को अलसी भी कहा जाता है. It's also called अलसी in Hindi. So flax seeds are basically the richest sources of omega-3 and omega-6 together. And there are a lot of other sources that have omega-3, omega-6, but omega-3 and 6 together is really rich, and it's found in flax seeds. So flax seeds are basically so these are the seeds which you can have it for your breakfast. Generally preferred for breakfast. So every alternative days or at least twice or thrice in a week you can do this. You need to take around 3 teaspoons of flax seeds and add around 1 cup of milk, and you can add any topping of your choice like badam or raisins or cashew or muesli or any kind of topping you guys like, and then you can have that because that will really suffice your omega-3 and omega-6 requirement in your body. Apart from that, you get roasted flax seeds. You can have roasted flax seeds every day once you're done with lunch or dinner. So that is just like a mouth refreshment. It will really help you, and it will also suffice your requirement for the day. So you can do any of it. And apart from that, people who have constipation issues, people who have issues with digestion should take flax seeds regularly. So for them, they can have flax seeds with warm water. So that will really help them adjust out all the toxins in their body. And this is all about flax seeds. So generally flax seeds is extremely important, a major antioxidant. So everyone needs to include flax seeds in your diet. And F for figs, I have already told you how figs is important, and I hope everyone's taking it in the morning because I always tell about dry fruits in every video of mine, and you know how important it is. So figs is already done, and next important thing that you need to include in your diet is flax seeds or alsi. So that is all for today's video, and the next letter is the letter G. ABCD G. Yes, the letter is G. So comment down and let me know what parts you would want to see from the letter G. So it is not necessary that you just want to see exercises. You can tell me anything else also. Like maybe you would want to see some workout for letter G, or you would want to know something else from the letter G, or some important fruit or vegetable or anything for that matter. So you just have to comment down and let me know. And until then, just stay fit, stay healthy, stay happy, keep smiling and smiling even more. See you in the next episode of mine. Thank you. Bye bye.